Odyssey want a tuition figure and a fee breakdown for every scholarship student. Pearspark already has them. In the sidebar, under Administration, click Reports. Scroll to your program's tuition worksheet. The badge counts the students it covers. From and to default to this school year, the window the program asks about. Take more than one scholarship, narrow it to a single program here. Click Download CSV. Every run is logged with your name on it. The compliance checklist carries the same export, right under the roster it covers. One row per funded student, key to the program's student ID, so an upload matches Odyssey's records, not your spelling. Then the money, annual tuition net of discounts, and your billed fees sorted into Odyssey's 5 buckets: enrollment, registration, meals, activities. Art supplies is none of those. Rather than guess, Pearspark puts it in the last column, other charges for review. Nothing lands in tuition you haven't seen. Type the numbers into the portal or upload the file after you've read every row. Try it free at pearspark.com.